All right, the next topic, let's look at how to find the equation of parallel lines. So this is the graph of two parallel lines. You can see parallel lines have the property same slope, right? And the two lines, they're different lines. So here is the theorem criteria for parallel lines. Two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal and they have different y-intercept. Okay, so if we put in a mathematical language how to define parallel lines, or what is the criteria for two lines are parallel. First, two lines must have the same slope. Okay, if we say line 1 have a slope L1 and line 2 have a slope M2, and then two lines must have the same slope, and at the same time two lines must have different y-intercepts, right? So that's L1 parallel to L2. Two lines are parallel. So just need to satisfy these two conditions. Two lines have the same slope and have different y-intercept. So this is another graph of two parallel lines. L1 is parallel to L2. Okay, we use this symbol to represent parallel lines. Now let's look at an example how to find a line that's parallel to a given line. Find an equation for the line contains this point and is parallel to this line. So given parallel to this given line, if we can find this given line slope and then we use parallel lines property, we know the line we're looking for, the slope, right? Slope of the line we're looking for, and also the line we're looking for passing through this point. So if we know the slope, we know the point, we can definitely find the equation of that line. So the key is first we need to find the slope of the given line. Okay, so the first step, we need to find the slope of 2x plus y equals 6. That's the given information. So in order to find the slope of this given line, we need to write this equation into slope-intercept form, so we can identify slope right away, right? So 2x plus y equals 6. We want to solve for the y, so subtract 2x on both sides of the equation. We got y equals negative 2x plus 6. So we can easily identify slope of this line equals negative 2, right? Sorry, when I touch the screen and then it's moved to the next slides. All right, so we find the slope of the given line is negative 2. Now we know the line we're looking for passing through 2, negative 3. Okay, so we know the line we're looking for parallel, right? This line, M1 parallel to M2. So that's why we know the line we're looking for also have the slope negative 2 and then passing through this point, x1, y1. So now we can use point slope form, find the line equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. You can use m2, okay, to represent. And then plug it in. That's y minus negative 3 equals negative 2 times x minus x1, that's 2. And then simplify. Y plus 3 equals negative 2x plus 4. Subtract 3 on both sides of the equation. We can easily find y equals negative 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the line parallel to 2x plus y equals 6 and passing through the point 2, negative 3. Okay, and then we can graph it. This is a graph. This is a given line, the blue color one. 2x plus y equals 6, that's the given line. And then the green line, that is the one we identified okay, parallel to this blue line and passing through the points 2, -3.